The Cardinal Health Kendall DL Multi Cable and Lead Wire System is the most recent addition to Cardinal Health's patient monitoring portfolio, designed to monitor ECG, temperature, and SpO2 in one streamlined single patient use cable and lead wire system. In this video, we will show you how to use the system's different components across your organization. The Kendall DL Multi System includes a portfolio of reusable telemetry, OR, and bedside adapters that stay plugged into the patient monitor. ECG, SpO2, and temperature connection points on the adapter plug into the respective ports on the monitor. Then, the system connects to the adapter using the heart-to-heart alignment. The OR and bedside adapters have a pre-attached wire that tethers to the monitors. The adapters help streamline patient transport and flow. Just disconnect the system from the current adapter and plug into the transport monitor adapter. When arriving at a new unit, unplug the device from the transport monitor adapter and then plug into the adapter attached to the monitor in the new unit. The Dual Connect system consists of two pieces, a cable and a lead set with ECG lead wires and SpO2 and temperature cables. They can be used together while monitoring at the bedside or can be separated so the lead set portion can be used for telemetry monitoring. When connecting the ECG leads to the electrode, simply push the white button on the side of the lead head. Keep the button depressed until the lead is in position over the monitoring electrode snap. It is important to hold the push button until the lead is in place on the electrode. Once in place, stop depressing the push button and let go. The lead is now securely connected to the electrode. This system reduces motion-related artifacts and provides a pressure-free connection to monitoring electrodes. The SpO2 port enables connection to Nellcor, Masimo, and Philips SpO2 sensors. The temperature port accommodates 3.5 coax or 2-pin YSI 400 series temperature sensors. To connect, plug in your compatible YSI 400 series sensor to the temperature port. Use the slide to cover the port that is not in use. The peelable ribbon cable supports monitoring on a range of patient sizes by allowing sensors to reach various locations, including the nose, fingers, or feet. For telemetry, use the heart-to-heart connection to connect the pink end of the lead set to the adapter on the telemetry unit. The Kendall DL Multi System has several integrated cable management features. A sliding clip holds wires together neatly. Pull up on the tab portion of the sliding bar to unlock it from its current position and slide it up or down to the desired position. Next, push down on the tab to lock the bar securely into position. The temperature port snaps together with the SpO2 port to streamline cable management when separation is not needed. There are additional containment locations intended to secure the SpO2 and temperature ports neatly when not in use. These can be found on 3 different parts of the system. The first is on the side of the sliding bar. The second is at the lead set base on the pink connector portion. And the third is on the cable at the pink connector end that plugs into the adapter. These notches are 2 different sizes. The smaller notch accommodates the temperature cable, and the larger notch fits the thicker SpO2 cable. Select your desired location and press the leads firmly into their specific notches. To contain the SpO2 and temperature cables when the system is being used with a telemetry monitor, disconnect the lead portion from the bedside cable portion of the system while keeping the ECG leads connected to the patient. Ensure the SpO2 and temperature cables are clear of any other cables and disconnect from any containment areas. Fold the SpO2 and temperature cables back along the main system cable and down toward the pink sliding bar. Secure them in place by firmly pressing the SpO2 cable into the larger slot and the temperature cable into the smaller slot. To contain the remaining length of the SpO2 and temperature cables, locate the pink connection point further down on the system. On either side of the pink, molded connector, firmly press the SpO2 cable into the larger slot and the temperature cable into the smaller slot. When patient monitoring is complete, disconnect the Kendall DL Multi System from the patient and follow your hospital protocol for reprocessing or disposal. Simplify and streamline monitoring with the Kendall DL Multi System. For more information, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit cardinalhealth.com/KDL Multi.